Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm working on this little Trailboss Kawasaki 100cc. Today, I'm putting the exhaust on, and I'm going to put some gas in the carburetor, hopefully fill the float bowl up, and we'll see if it can sustain a little running for a little bit longer. So, let's get with it. All right, the first thing you got to do is get this guy back up in there. I didn't realize that. I was just trying to put the this pipe, right into the hole. And then I thought, well, the Yamaha's all got a manifold here. So I looked through my boxes of parts, and sure enough, I found one. It was pretty crusty, but I cleaned it up. And now we'll try and put this back in. I don't have the springs for it, but I might be able to use a couple of Yamaha springs if I can find some of them. We'll see how it goes. I'll be back. All right, another thing I did the other day was I found a wiring diagram online and hooked up some of these lines. I ended up with 3 here that I'm not real sure what they are, but they may be tail light and brake light and so on. I got a, looks like a black with a yellow tracer, a blue with a red tracer, and a red with a white tracer. So we'll figure those out later. They don't show up on my wiring diagram that I had. I had an old 6-volt battery that fit in there, so I charged that up. And we'll see if that's held a charge. And right now, let's go ahead and see if we can get this muffler on. It attaches here and here, and then of course down here with 2 springs. I'll be back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I finally think I got this thing ready to fire. So let's give it a shot. I put gas in the little gas line here. And what else we got? We got oil in the transmission. I got the exhaust installed. I got sort of an air cleaner on there. And I think all I need to do is turn the key on. I cheated a little bit. I already did put some gas in the cylinder, and it fired for about 2 seconds. So now let's see if it'll run a little bit while we use up what gas is in the float bowl. What do you say? Key is on. Well, it smokes like a banshee, but I don't know if a banshee smokes or not, quite frankly. Anyway, it smokes, and it runs, it responds to the throttle. What more could a guy want, huh? I don't know. It's got I think a choke up here. I don't know if it's hooked up or not, or if it works or if it's on or off. So that could be part of the reason, but I think it used up all the gas anyway. So we'll get to work. I think I'm missing a gasket in here, and I know I'm missing the 2 springs, so I'll source those guys. What else do we need? I don't know. We'll need to check and see if the oiler's working. And to do that, I'll have to hook it up. This gas I put in it was premix, of course. So I think we're making progress with this little guy.